Hey everybody, it's about that time of year where I just make sure my generator is ready for the winter. I'm going to take you through a couple of preparation steps that I typically do. Now, if you've seen some of my videos, you'll know I have a generator in here and I built this shed for it probably 3 or 4 years ago. I change the oil in the generator every year, but this year I'm not going to, because I didn't even use it last year. But my goal today is open up the generator shed. I'm going to connect the 50 amp circuit to the house, and I'm going to connect the natural gas line from the generator over to my supply. So let's open this up and I'll show you what I got in here. All right. I've got some Haywood equipment that was sent out to me. This is just empty boxes. So I'm going to put these one side and put them in the trash. So what you're seeing in here is a 12,000 watt generator. It's a portable generator, okay? There it is. It's a DUROMAX Hybrid Elite. It was a LP and gasoline, but I did convert it over to natural gas, okay? So I do have a couple of feeds in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the natural gas line and we're just going to put it out the side over here. Just have a little box on the side right here. We're going to pop our natural gas line right through there. So there's my natural gas line. And that is going to connect right over here. You can see it right there. You find it. It's going to connect right over here, right there. So I'm going to plug that in now. Let me just undo that. We'll undo this. We're going to pull back the collar and connect it. Now that gas line is connected. You see it right down there. The gas line is connected. Okay, so that's the gas line piece of things. That's how you see it goes right out the side. And this will probably stay hooked up, well, until April, springtime next year. Now the next important thing we have to do, we have to hook up, I'll show you. We have to hook up this 50 amp cable. It's going to feed right out the back here, and then we're going to connect it to the house. So hang on a second. Hi. There we go. That's what the plug looks like. It's got a screw collar, has a screw collar on it. This is going to lift up. Here we are. And then this collar comes down and screws in. I was just off by the tiniest amount. And that's all connected. That's all connected up for the winter. Woo. The natural gas is on. Right. Now this point here, I have to bleed the system. And on my regulator, there's a little purge button. I just got to find it. Oh, here it is. We have to push that until the natural gas comes through the system. Until I smell it. Now I can smell it, so I know that the line is energized. Now I don't know if I'm going to have any battery, but let's try it and see. That's it. Now, to shut this off, I'm going to go fill the natural gas. Now, the second I kill that gas, it just powers it right off. Now, that is an exhaust fan with louvers on it. So, as soon as this starts up, it starts sucking cold air in from that side and distributing it out the generator shed. But that's all I have to do to make sure we can start this up. It's connected to the house. It's connected to the supply line. It cranked over. It started up. And now we should be good for the winter. However, what I want to show you, okay, I want to show you one more thing. We'll seal this up. We'll close this. We'll lock it up. But here's what I want to show you. We're all connected. We're all set and good. Now, what you see up here, that right there is a little solar panel, a 12-volt solar panel, and that actually keeps my battery on the generator trickle charged all year. This is probably the last year for that battery, and I'm going to count my blessings while it's working. But that delivers a steady 12-volt trickle charge to that battery, and it's kept it alive over the last 3 or 4 years. So I know I'm probably on my last leg with it, but that's what you want to know about having your own home generator shed. It is a jury rig, but it's way better than having the generator just sitting out in the weather. I'm sure you'll agree with that. That's all I want to show you. Everything's connected up. I'm ready for the winter or whatever it may throw at me this year. So hope everybody has a safe holiday season ahead of us. God bless, and thank you for watching the videos. Take care.